Ukufa sekuphinde kwagadla emkhakheni wabezindaba kulokhu kwebe u-Eusebius McKaiser obenomqondo ojulile futhi obukhali. Ukuhlaziya kwakhe, ukuzimisela emsebenzini wakhe bekuphoqa ngisho izimbangi zakhe nabangahambisani nembono yakhe ukuba bamvume njengengqwele phakathi koza kwabo.
And what we have learned in the last couple of years is that coalition politics in South Africa is all about horse trading for positions. It's all about gigantic egos. It's not about principle. And the last thing on the mind of the coalition partners are the residents of the individual citizens.
Ubephumelela ngenxa ukuzimisela nokuzinikela kulokho afisa ukukuzuza.
He said he wanted to come into radio, and I advised him, okay, we had a coffee meeting, and I said, dude, this is what you do. You go to the community stations, you build up a platform, you get your confidence right, and then you can go into commercial radio. So he did that. And that lasted all of 1 month. He was picked up by 702.
Kunye kuphela belwa nakho ingcindezelo nokukhishwa nyule emphakathini engabheke ebulili nabala ngisho nobuzwe bomuntu imbala.
And cutting through all of his varied interests, whether it was his writing and thinking or broadcasting, it was about getting to the heart of the problem of unraveling prejudice, marginalization, and exclusion, and ensuring that everyone could live a relatively meaningful life.
Lokhu bekufakazelo nayizindikimba zezincwadi aseke wazishiqilela kwazise bezikhuluma ngokucwaswa kwabokufika kuleli ukucwasa ngokobuhlanga ngokunjalo nezombusazwe eziphathelene namaqembu. Umndeni ubungakazidalula izinhlelo zomngcwabo wakhe. Ezindabeni ze-SABC ngingunqubeko Nzimande.